Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 10. An object moves in a circular path of radius 0.5 meters with a speed of 1 meters per second. What is its angular velocity? A. 8 per radian. B. 4 radians per second rather. So C. 2 radians per second. D. 1 radians per second. So angular velocity omega is given as v square over r. This is r, v square over r. So the velocity v is given to us as 1 meter per second. So 1 square over r, the radius of the circular path, so 0.5. So this is equal to 1 over 0.5, and it's equal to 2 radians per second. So 2 radians per second is option C, which is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.